Paul Solka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at the 20th question from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2. It's from the Bluebook app, the easier set of math questions. Number 20 reads, moving truck can tow a trailer if the combined weight, in other words, the added weight of the trailer and the boxes it contains is no more than 4,600 pounds. So we're going to be adding something, and it's going to wind up equaling 4,600 pounds. What is the maximum number of boxes? It's asking about how many boxes this truck can tow if the trailer with a weight of 500 pounds. So we only have one of those, so we could just say 500 plus. If each box weighs 120 pounds, whenever you say each or every or per, that's an indication of slope. So what are we adding? We're adding 120, but so this equation doesn't make sense right now. What are we missing? Notice it says for each box. So we need the number of boxes. So if X equals the number of boxes, then 120 times X is going to be the total weight in boxes. And now you've got the formula that's going to solve the question for you. So I could subtract 500 from both sides. I'm also going to show you how to do this. Stick around because I'm going to show you how to do this in Desmos. And in Desmos, and now we divide both sides by 120. And you could cross out the zeros here. And 12 goes into 4,100. You know it's 30-something times because all the answer choices say that. You can do this longhand, but this is what I'd recommend. At this step right here, this is what you plug into Desmos. 500 plus 120 x1. Instead of equals, you put the tilde, 4,600. When you find the tilde, you go shift, and then it's upper left on your keyboard, just below the escape button, above the tab button. You'll find the tilde, and you can also do that in the Desmos calculator. So I'm going to plug that in. So right here, it's 500 plus 120 x1 tilde 4,600. And notice it gives me the answer right down here. 34.16 repeated. What's that closest to? Answer choice A, 34. Now, our answer wasn't exact. And actually, I kind of misspoke when I said what's it closest to, because it's really not what it's closest to, because it's the maximum weight. So even if we had, let's say it said 34.9, the answer would still be 34 because 35 boxes would be too much weight for the trailer to bear, or the moving truck to bear. So correct answer is 34, answer choice A. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty, doesn't know this little trick anytime you have a single variable to use Desmos, or has trouble translating a word problem into a linear equation, which is what this is. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Check out our 1-minute video. It's probably all the longer videos here and all the 1-minute videos at the bottom of this playlist. And give us feedback. If there's anything you think that we could do better, then we're open to suggestions. Have a great day.